Here at Formula Honda, we have a Drive Shield certified 2019 Hyundai Elantra. Here's a quick look at the outside of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. Starting with the driver's side door, this vehicle has power mirrors, locks, and windows with an automatic driver's side window. It has a sunroof up top and seats 5 passengers. 2 seats in the front and 3 seats in the back. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. It also has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, USB and auxiliary inputs, a touchscreen infotainment center. We also have our climate controls, our push to start engine,